Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to close your Yelp business account. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to open up our search engine. In this instance, we're using Google here, but you can use other search engines. So we're going to simply look up or search up Yelp support. After that, you need to click on the first link that shows up, which is Support Center. And after that, you have many options to choose from. However, what we need to do here is to simply click here in this section and type in close. Click on search, and after that, the first link will appear. How do I close my account? Open a new link or a new tab, and it shows what to do. Yelpers. Closing your user account will remove any content you've posted, reviews, photos, etc. Yelp as a customer, and once your account has been closed, it cannot be restored. If you'd like to close your user account, please submit an account closure request, which is this link. So click this link, and from there, what you need to do here is you need to log in, and from there, you're going to make a request for the cloud or for the account to be closed. And that's how you simply close your Yelp business account. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.